Eto, madalas pa rin itong natatanong sa e-travel na what if may account na ako sa e-travel and I am getting ready to fly back to the Philippines? Kailangan ko na naman bang gumawa ng e-travel account? The answer to that is no. Kung may account na kayo sa e-travel, mag-login kayo ulit at mag-register. Remember, the account creation in e-travel is different from e-travel registration. But it is required to have an account with e-travel first before you can do the registration proper. So, kung may account na at uuwi na naman, for example, may account na kayo last year for e-travel at uuwi kayo ngayon this year, mag-login na lang kayo at mag-register na for e-travel. Just in case, nakalimutan nyo yung mga password niyo, meron namang forgot password feature doon na pwede nyong i-process, but if it's not doing the trick, pwede naman kayong gumawa ulit ng account.